Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little gratis haul for the month of July. I did get some really nice things and a lot of skincare, which makes me very excited. So before we dive right in, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos so that I know to keep doing them. And also if you have a moment to subscribe and definitely turn on that notification bell so you know of my future uploads. I do subscription boxes, I do reviews, first impressions, I've got a giveaway coming up. There's a ton of things, so I would love for you guys to subscribe and become part of my little YouTube family. I would love to have you, and without further ado, let's dive into the gratis. So one thing not inside my bag, this is the Murad Resurgence Replenishing Multi-Acid Peel. So someone actually shared this with me and I'm so excited to give it a shot. So it's got a little 2 layers, as you can probably see there. So you give it a good shake and it is basically like a chemical exfoliation. It says you dispense onto cotton pads, sweep over face, neck, and chest at night. Do not rinse. So it's got a combination of AHAs to resurface the skin, give you a smoother complexion, but I love chemical exfoliations. They are my favorite type, so I can't wait to give this a try. Everything else is in this bag, so I'm going to dive right in. Several of these were gratis pulls, so if you don't know what that means, like regular gratis, sometimes it's because we were trained, sometimes it's because everybody got something, but sometimes it's because you have gratis pulls. They may call them different things at different places, but if you perform well or you do things that merit you to get extra stuff, then you do. So I had some and I got some really good stuff. So first, I actually have 2 of these. One I just got and one I pulled. So this is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I recently used this in my most expensive makeup video, so I'm very excited to have a backup of these. I actually pulled one specifically to put into my next giveaway, so that will be going there. I hope you guys don't mind. I would never like sell my gratis, but if it's something nice like this that's brand new and I can put into a giveaway, I hope you guys don't mind that. It is scribed with a G, but other than that, it is like, it's just the product, and I thought, what a better thing to give you than something that I already love. So yay! This one is something that was like a limited edition holiday thing. This is the Dior Snow Essence of Light Brightening Light Activating Micro Infused Lotion. It is the dreamiest looking packaging and product. It's so pretty. It's got like little beads in it that are in there just floating around, and they move in like the most magical way. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like you're in the middle of like snow flurries or something. But this is basically like an essence to brighten the skin. I can't wait to incorporate that. I picked up an extra of the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, also with the intention of putting it into my giveaway. I could have picked more stuff for me, but I have so much stuff, so I figured pick a couple things for you guys, and that one is of course brand new. I got from It Cosmetics. This is the Your Skin But Better Primer, oil-free makeup gripping base. So it's supposed to be pore refining and hydrating with an all-day grip technology. I cannot wait to try this. It feels really nice on the skin. When I heard like the description of it, I thought it might kind of be like the Milk gripping primer. I thought maybe that's what it's similar to. I don't know. It doesn't have that like tackiness the way that the Milk one does. Like this, you don't feel a lot of tackiness. It actually feels pretty smooth, but it doesn't feel like straight silicone on the skin, if that makes sense. So I am excited to try this one. It is oil free, so I'll probably wind up using this with more hydrating foundation to give a smooth canvas, but it looks pretty nice. It does kind of give a smooth appearance to the skin, so I'm excited to try this. I typically like It Cosmetics products. I've never had anything that I really hated or anything like that. I've usually had a pretty good experience, so I'm excited to try that one. This I think is just a little bag. So this is a little bag. It says, "Damn girl, you're so Too-Faced." I might actually just like put that together for the giveaway, because while this is super cute and I'd like to use it, I have so many makeup bags. It is insane. So yeah, just share the wealth. Also from Dior, I got the One Essential Mist Lotion. It's a detoxifying and a purity booster. So their One Essential line, from what I can understand of it, is like really antioxidant, protects your skin from free radicals, from really all these things in the air, and it's supposed to basically just give you that protection from things that are going to damage and age your skin. So I'm excited. I haven't really used this much. I don't know if this is technically okay to be a setting spray or not. Probably not, but I'm just gonna spray it anyway. Feels nice. It definitely smells a little fragrant, which I think is the only downside to Dior skincare is like there is fragrance and everything, and I kind of wish that wasn't the case, but it's still really nice stuff. I've got a few more Dior products, so pardon me. This is the Hydralife Extra Plump Smooth Balm Mask. So that's what it looks like. I haven't used a lot of their skincare, but I have not used any of their masks. So I am pretty excited to use this one. The fact that it's called Extra Plump makes me pretty excited because that's what I like my skin to look plump, radiant, healthy, all that good stuff. It's like a creamy texture. I just wanted to feel it. Ooh. Okay, that one has a scent, but it's not like overly fragrant, which I like. It definitely feels like smooth. Ooh, that feels nice. Okay, so I got that one. Also, this Dior Snow Essence of Light. This is, again, that little holiday collection. I'm going to need to use this kind of quick because, again, this is probably like, I think it's 6 months old. But anyway, this is a brightening milk serum. Pure concentration of light. That just looked and sounded so nice. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That's like a great description. Milk serum. It's literally like a milky, creamy serum. Also got the Capture Youth Plump Filler Age Delay Plumping Serum. Again, plumping just sounded amazing, and these serums specifically were what I was most excited to try out. These are, they're not brand new, but they haven't been around that long. They came out with like this whole line of serums. There's a mattifying one, there's one for redness, there is one for firming, there's like all these different ones. There's a brightening one. So I just couldn't wait to try these. I'm very excited about those. So I also got 2 of these because they had some extras, so I pulled another one. But everybody got this. This is the Drunk Elephant La La Retro. So they have updated this formula a little bit. I think they added ceramides or peptides or both. I can't remember. But they have updated the formula a little bit if you've tried it before. But I'm so excited. Now, the older version, which I actually just used a little guy of this today underneath my makeup, I love it. Like, it's one of my all-time favorite just basic moisturizers. It's so creamy, it's whipped, it feels uber hydrating, but it doesn't make you feel like oily. I just love this one. So yeah, I grabbed 2 of those. The last product from Dior, I promise, is the Capture Youth Age Delay Advanced Eye Treatment. So this one brightens, smooths, and depuffs. So it's in a little pump. Cute. So I am all set up with some new skincare. I got from Summer Fridays. This is a jet lag mask that came out with the mini size, and I got one of those. And finally, I've got 2 products from Biosense. If you guys don't know, I love their brand. I have really gotten into their products lately. I love their squalane oil. I just today used their squalane and tea tree oil cleanser. The detox mask is really good as well. So I break out, but my problem is that I'm also dry. So I hesitate to use a lot of products for breakout specifically, but the tea tree oil line from there is perfect because it does not dry me out at all. If anything, afterwards my skin still feels really hydrated. So I'm like, how did this happen? I love it. But Biosense has really been killing it to me. If I had to say, like, go try one thing, just try their 100% squalane oil. Pump it onto your hand, pump it, rub it into your arms and your hands. It feels so nice. It's oil, but it's very light, and your skin just drinks it right up. So highly recommend. But I got this. This is the Biosense and Squalane Tea Tree Balancing Oil. So this is just the oil version of that. I'll definitely be using this when I have breakouts, and I want to try this like on my nose because I use a lot of oils at night, but I don't have one that has, like, you know, things for breakouts or pores. But I would love to try this on my nose area and just see if it will help with my pores at all. So it is a full size of that. And then also I have a mini. This is the Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. Hydrate, brighten, and balances skin. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty generous size for a little mini guy. It is, oh wow. This is funny. So it's 10 mils, but it says 0.33814 fluid ounces. They are precise. So I kind of want to try this, but still, like, right around 1/3 of an ounce is a pretty decent size for like a little sample one. So I still feel like I can try it out. It's got a little light creamy texture to it. Okay, I like that this is gel, but you can still like feel it. I feel like some gel moisturizers, especially for me with drier skin, they just sink in so much that like it doesn't feel like it's doing anything at all. So I like that this one has a little creaminess to it. So maybe when it's hot and I'm a little bit oily that I can deal with this one, because I don't know, most gel moisturizers I feel like just dissipate so quickly that I'm like, what's the point? So that's everything I got for July. I know that was like hardly any makeup in there, so hopefully you guys like seeing skincare because that's what it mostly was. So thank you guys so much for watching this gratis haul. I'm really excited for everything, and I will be sure to use some of these products and let you know what I think, if they're worth the money, because some of these are really pricey items, especially with all the Dior. So I'm excited to dive in and really try some of their skincare, because up to this point I haven't really given it a go. The price point has always made me kind of go, is it really that good? But yeah, I'm excited to try everything out. Before I wrap up, I do have one more thing to take care of, and that is our dad joke. What's ET short for? Because he's only got little legs. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this gratis haul and any of my videos. Thank you so much. If you have a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications, leave me a like. Whatever you can do will be so greatly appreciated. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!